All right, what's going on, guys? This week we have got an in-house build. So we're actually building this 17 F-150 for Zach, who is our lead programmer over here at Custom Offsets. So he's the guy responsible for the website and whether it works or not. So if you're having issues, feel free to yell at him and shame him on the internet. So he just picked up this 17 F-150 after having a Mustang. I think he had two Mustangs, he had a Corvette. He's had a lot of sports cars, and he finally realized that we live in Wisconsin, it snows a lot here, and he can only drive his cars like 1 week out of the year. So he picked up a truck. He's from the UP, so he's gonna be using this thing off-road a lot. So Fuel hooked us up big time, got us a set of these bad boys right here, which is their new Fuel Rebel model. These are gonna be 20 by 10s, and they're in the new finish, which is gonna be the bronze face with the black beadlock ring. Now, they also paired it with a set of these 325/60 Fuel Gripper ATs. So this is a really big wheel and tire package. This actually measures out to be 35.5 by 12.8. Now, he had gone ahead and hooked up with Superlift and got a 4.5-inch lift coming. Ran none of this by me, so that wheel is not going to go on there with 4.5-inch lift. So what I did is, hey Superlift, we know you guys are sending us this 4.5-inch. That's not going to fit with this wheel and tire package. Please send us a 6-inch. So they sent us up a 6-inch. He thinks he's getting a 4.5-inch, but now he's actually got a lift that the wheel and tire package is going to fit. So Brent's going to get this thing installed. We're going to throw the wheels on and give it back to him a little bit later.
Then it was time to get Zach's truck up in the air and start ripping out all the stock components so we could get the new 6-inch Superlift suspension installed. We know typically on our channel you've seen more monstrous wheel and tire packages and rubber band tires, but this time we're stuffing a whole bunch of rubber under this F-150 because we know how Zach's going to use this truck. But of course we can't let you down, which is why we worked with Fuel to pick out these wheels. We've got a nice blend of show truck and off-road truck that's going to work perfect for this build. And they aren't the same standard black wheel that everybody does. Luckily, Banker caught our suspension mistake early on and went behind Zach's back to order the 6-inch instead of the 4.5, so we could actually fit the 325/60s under there, but we aren't sure if Zach's gonna like it.
All right, guys, so we got the lift and the wheels on the truck. We got a little bit of trimming done, we got it cleaned up, so we can give it back to Zach. So let's see what he thinks about his truck that is bigger than he thinks it's going to be.